Hey, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you to kind of give you some insight on some stuff that you can start doing to your webpage today that'll help with your rankings on Google and the search engines. Um, so there's three key things that Google likes to see when they rank a website. First and foremost is going to be content. So right here we have your website. And as you can tell, you really don't have too much content on there. So Google likes to see authoritative, relevant, and unique content to what you're trying to achieve. So with you guys, it's obviously going to be geared towards keywords including like plumbing, heating, and cooling, and stuff like that there in Albuquerque. We can get into that later, but essentially, the more content that is relevant and unique and authoritative, the better. That's going to help your site rank. In Google's eyes, content is key, so the more you have, the better. Secondly, we have what we call a backlink. So this tool right here, it's called Ahrefs, and all this tool does is it gathers data and it puts it into a format that we can read it and see how each website's doing on the search engines. So as you can see here on this page, we got a few things we'll hit on. So one of the first things we're going to hit on is these two things right here. So this right here is essentially your website's strength, which is, it's okay. Um, it's on a 100 point scale, so 22 out of 100 isn't terrible compared to what your competitors have. But the thing that's hurting you right now is this number right here. So this is also on a 100 point scale. This DR is your domain rating, which is essentially your business's online trust flow. What plays key roles into getting these things ranking better is the backlinks. So backlink is pretty simple. All it is just a website giving your website a link that directs back to it. So you can have a business there in Texas or something like that, and it'll link back to your web page. That's considered a backlink. Um, all backlinks aren't created equal. Some are better than others. Some carry no weight, and then some are just plain spammy. Um, what you want, like I said, is relevant to your niche, giving your links back to you. So, like a plumbing, heating, and air conditioning, or something like that website, giving your website a link. What you don't want is, say, like a pizza joint out of like California, or ice cream joint there in Albuquerque or something like that, giving you a backlink. It might carry some weight, it might not, but Google knows the difference if it's relative or not. But based off of your backlinks that you have going on right now, you're being found for 93 keywords, which is pretty good. Um, we'll come down here to the backlinks. So this is where it's hurting you. So out of your 210 backlinks, 29 are carrying weight, while 181 are carrying no weight or potentially spammy. I mean, we can dig into it further if you'd like, but these are just the general numbers right here showing you the good and the bad. And we'll take a look at one of your competitors. So we have Stewart's Plumbing. This is one of the guys on the front page and the top spots for plumbing and cooling and heating there in Albuquerque. So as you can see, he's got somewhat similar strength to you. His trust is a little bit higher. It's not great, but it's higher, and that's essentially what's helping him. He's got 1,100 backlinks, and he's being found for 317 keywords. We'll come down here to the backlinks just to give you an idea of how he's doing this. So he's got, like I said, 1,100 backlinks almost. Out of those, 776 are giving him good links, giving him weight, giving him strength. And he's only got 321 that aren't. So with that being said, you can see why he's ranking in the top spot. He's got a bunch of keywords. He's got a bunch of backlinks. that are do follow. We'll come over here to your keywords real quick, and as you can see, you are being found for some keywords. Your courtesy plumbing, that's obviously branding, stuff like that, which is good. You're being found for a good amount of keywords. Like I said, it's not bad. I just think that you need to put some more of these keywords into your content and start putting it on your homepage, your back pages, and stuff like that. Lastly, I wanted to touch on something called citations. A citation, all it is your business name, address, and phone number. So what you want to do is you want to see where your competitors are as far as how many citations they have in different directories, such as like Facebook, Yelp, Houzz, stuff like that. You want to match theirs and essentially go above and beyond to start outranking them in the citations. With that, you'll start moving up in the map pack, and then with your content and your backlinks, you'll start moving up down here in the organic searches. One last thing I wanted to hit on real quick. I'm not sure if you're Google Guaranteed certified or not. If you're not, I would definitely recommend it. It's just one more thing that Google's going to see to add to your trust. So with that being said, we talked about the content that you could add. Those backlinks that we talked about, getting rid of some of those no follow backlinks and start adding a bunch more do follow backlinks. And then lastly, the citations and that Google guaranteed thing. So with that being said, I hope you found this video educational. Hope you got some nuggets out of it. If you want to take this information and run with it, no harm, no foul. If you'd like some help in getting an attack plan together, we can definitely do that. Just get back to me. My name is Jesse at revdupsco.com. And with that, I'm going to end the video. Hope you have a good day. Thank you for your time.